I'm here with Wyn Thomas, Town's newly appointed manager for today's game. A disappointing outcome.
Yeah, the outcome was disappointing. The start was very disappointing. We spoke about not giving the goals away, and that's what we did. After 25 minutes though, we started to play. We got into the game and we had a couple of chances, a couple of good corners. But that was first half, and second half come and fighting, and we got a goal back, which was good, and we went on from there. But no, it was yeah, like you say, it was a very disappointing result. And what happened at the end then with two getting sent off, that was even more disappointing. And the lads know, but we've got to be positive. After 25 minutes, like I said, we started to play and we got involved in the game, and that was a positive for us, but the end result wasn't, and that's what we need to change.
So as you say, it was two quick early goals. Was the confidence going down, or was there still belief we can still do this? It just needs a goal.
Yeah. I think if we're conceding goals that we have done, confidence would be quite low. But we're moving forward, going forward. We've got everything, but we just keep giving goals away. So we need to strengthen. Hopefully we can, and we've got a couple of weeks off to work on things. Hopefully can tick a few boxes with that, and when we come back we cancel any mistakes out.
For strengthening, which areas of the pitch are you looking at?
We've spoken to a few players, so hopefully something will come, but it is hard work. It is hard work. Obviously we're in the bottom six now, so we need to get players in that are consistent. We need more of them. We haven't been consistent enough, and that's when we're giving poor goals away. Poor decisions at poor times, but hopefully we can move on from that. We can build confidence over the next couple of weeks, and then when the bottom six kicks on, then we can start winning games and putting smiles back on faces.
The smile will be back on the face at the end of the season. There's still a playoff, so European football is still a possibility.
Yes, that's what we're aiming for. We're aiming for that second spot. It's going to be difficult because the teams that are around us, and they're very good also. We've seen that. We've come a cropper against them at home the last few weeks. So it is going to be a challenge, but one we're all looking forward to, and I hope everyone else involved with Aberystwyth will help us with that challenge.
To finish off, you took charge today due to Ian Hughes being absent. How do you find the experience?
Yeah, it was hard. Being sort of manager for the day, it was hard. It was different, but enjoyable. There's nothing better than playing football on a Saturday afternoon. But yeah, wish to wish Ian Hughes a quick recovery. Hope to see him back here soon. And then we've got a couple of weeks off now to regroup and win games.